Is finding money on the ground actually stealing? So let's break this down a little bit and talk about it. You're walking down Church Street in Nashville and you look over and you see some green flashing and you find $100. Can you legally keep it? Do you have to turn it in? Is it theft if you keep it? The answer to that really depends on the facts and the circumstances around this money that you found. If the money you found was sticking out of the side of a wallet, you can't keep it legally. And yes, it is legally theft if you know whose it is. Or let's just say the person in front of you drops a wad of cash and you're walking behind them and you just scoop it up and think, well, they didn't even realize they dropped that money. Can you keep it? Legally? No. Morally? No. So the answer to that is no. Holler at the person and say, hey, buddy, you dropped some money. Maybe they'll give you a little bit of it. Maybe it's one of these YouTubers that's just seeing how you react to finding money on the ground. I've seen those before. And you don't want to be that guy that finds money on the ground and everybody sees you, see the person drop it. And then all of a sudden you're all over YouTube. You got 1 million clicks and 1 million views watching you steal this person's money. Now, is it theft? It could be theft if you know whose it is. If you find money that's legitimately lost or abandoned on the ground, no, it's not theft to put it in your pocket. If you have a way of reasonably determining who it belonged to, you should really try to do that. Now, do you go so far as doing a TikTok video and going, hey, I found $100 at the corner of Church and 3rd Avenue North. Does it belong to anybody? DM me below. No, you don't have to do that. But certainly if you see somebody drop it, tell them they dropped it. Don't be that guy that gets caught on YouTube doing otherwise. So what if you find a wad of cash on the street and it's not in a wallet and it's not in a purse and you really legitimately didn't see anybody drop it? You just found this wad of cash. Do you have to turn it in? No, you don't have to turn it in. That money is abandoned or it's lost. Now, if you find $100,000 in a bag, should you turn it in? Probably. You should probably go to the police department and make a report that you found this $100,000 on the street. I know nobody's going to do that, but you probably should do that, morally speaking. But do you legally have to do it? No, you don't have to legally do it. If you found property that's legitimately lost or legitimately abandoned, and I guess you'd call it abandoned, it's really lost. Somebody dropped this money and you found it. And what's the difference between you finding a $20 bill and you finding a $100 bill? I don't know, your luck for the day. There's not really a legal difference in that. There's not a difference. There's not an amount of money that you're required to turn in versus not turn in.